back everyone to Innovate with Karan. If you want to charge your phone and your wire is so small and the plug point is far away, well, you can use this wire to help you out. Now let me show it to you. The size of this extender wire is 6 feet and one side of it is USB-C. On the other side you can connect any USB-C wire to it. I actually bought a 6 feet wire for my phone because I love long wires. And now I can connect this extender to my 6 feet wire and make the total distance of 12 feet. In my room, this is where the plug point is. And I sleep all the way over here. And there are no plug points over here. I have connected my charger to the plug and just have a look at the wire. It is actually so long. And now finally I'm charging my phone with it. You have such a long USB-C wire, but what if you need a MicroUSB to connect to? Well, you can use this attachment to connect it to a MicroUSB. You just have to connect any USB-C to it and it actually converts it to a MicroUSB. If you want to purchase this extender, please comment below and I will send you the Amazon link. If you all want to watch a video of a 15.6-inch touchscreen display that you can connect to your mobile or convert your laptop into a touchscreen, please click over here. I once touched an open wire. What happened to me shocked me. My friend once asked me this. Do you have a USB to charge my phone in my Honda? Do you mean a cord? No, it's a Civic.